All right, hey y'all, it's your girl Didi, making some spaghetti back here. I was live, but baby boy was kind of mad, so that's what we're doing. Just making some spaghetti, and I want to make these brownies. And I got baby boy right here. Hope you guys have been enjoying my content. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay, baby. But yeah, I'm just cooking. Cooking. I wanted to kind of just do a video where it's called a rainy day stuck in the house, because today was real rainy. I didn't do much but stay in the house, take care of the baby, watch YouTube videos, and plan more YouTube videos. So that's really what I've been doing. I was going live, so make sure y'all tune in, subscribe, get your notifications so you'll know when I do go live sometimes. Not doing much, so I'll be back when the food is done. I'm also making garlic bread. Oh yeah, I was telling my viewers, get this from Dollar Store Wizard, and it's the raspberry nectar. I think that's what it's called. It smells so good. I also got these cheap plug-ins, and they smell wonderful. Like, smell bomb. And I got another one too, so I'm gonna get some of them for the whole house. I got a few things like dishes and a pan. I am finna make some brownies tonight, a healthy brownie. So yeah, y'all, stay tuned. Oops. Just Texas toast. Normally I get the cheese kind. I'm gonna add cheese on here. So I'm gonna add these. Or the spaghetti that I'm cooking now. I'm gonna save this and put it in the closet. Pizza from yesterday. Putting Kobe and Monterey Jack cheese on the breast, the garlic bread, because I normally get the 4 cheese, but this is just the regular Texas toast. All right, I'll be back with the finished product. All right, y'all, we're done cooking dinner. The baby was actually good while I cooked dinner, so I'm proud of myself. So now I'm gonna show y'all the finished product, and then we're making brownies afterwards. I'm gonna go watch YouTube, eat my food, and chill. So let me show y'all the dinner. All right, period, here's dinner, period. She did that. You know, single for now till my man comes home out of prison. But yeah, say hey, hey. Finna smash and watch me some YouTube. Make sure you guys do like, share, and subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next video. Dinner has been served and we finna get into a good movie, period. God is good, y'all. Say hey, Ccok. Berry, juicy juice, and orange juice. Hit every time.